Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a quick and easy steak sandwich, and we're going to be using the thinly sliced steakums that already come frozen and pre-packaged, and all you have to do is separate them and fry them. I'm going to turn on my pan and start getting it heated up. I'm going to start with the onions, and I'm going to cut my onions. I'm going to cut them pretty long. I don't like them too small, and I don't like them diced for the steakums. Okay, so I'm going to push this here, right. Right, and I'm also going to add to this a little bit of steaks. I have a little bit of steak sauce here, A1. We have garlic and garlic powder, and my rotisserie chicken seasoning. And I might add something else, I'm not sure yet, but we're going to brown the onions first. All right, this is the amount of onions I'm going to use. I'm not going to use any more than that. And I have some Italian bread that I'm going to be assembling this with. I'm going to add lettuce and tomato. A little bit of oil, about a tablespoon, to the pan. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to saute our onions just until they get translucent and soft enough, and then we're going to add our steaks. Actually, we don't even have to wait for that. I can actually put the steak pieces in there if I want to now. Anyway, so this is what we're using. And it's a good idea to let it fall out just a tiny bit, just for a few minutes, so they can just so they can separate enough and make it easier to handle them. Like right now, they are pretty much stuck together. Let me see how many I can get out. All right, here's another one. I'm going to be using, let me see how many came in here. 10, I'm going to be using 4. And I'm going to be putting my seasonings directly in here. So, look at this. Separate this some more. We've got 2 here, so that's 4. Okay, I believe that should be enough for one sandwich, just a regular size sandwich. Okay, I'm going to put this away. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these, I'm going to cut them into thirds. then on top of that, I'm going to put a little bit of garlic powder. Now my heat is medium high. I'm going to put it a little bit lower because I want them to cook all the way through. A little bit of rotisserie seasoning. Alright, I was just checking the sodium count on those. Those are 20 milligrams of salt, very negligible, practically nothing per slice. So that's pretty good. So it's better this way because you're in more control of the salt content. Okay, a little bit of the A1 sauce. Alright, we're going to check them underneath to see how it's going. Okay, I'm going to let that go a little bit more. I'm going to put the onion away. And again, I'm going to assemble this with some lettuce and tomato. Oh, and some avocado, which I have to check the avocado because I had opened one 2 days ago and I left it in the refrigerator. I don't know if it's still any good, but we'll see. Okay, guys, I appreciate you being here with me, visiting me. Those of you that are new, welcome. Okay, and those of you that have been here before and have already subscribed, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to do so. Just a friendly reminder. I know that sometimes we get focused in a video and we forget to like the video, we forget to subscribe. So just a friendly reminder, just go ahead, take a second and subscribe. And like the video and share it with anyone you think that would like this recipe. Okay, so we're going to remove the pit from our avocado. And this is an avocado I had in the refrigerator, so I'm going to just peel around this area that started to turn brown. Okay, so I think I'll slice it into 3 pieces. 3 pieces would be good. Okay, and I have to remove the skin from that avocado. There we go. So we've got the 3 pieces of avocado. Trying to make sure if you guys can see up. Alright, we're going to turn this around. We're going to turn this over. And I got to tell you guys, I have not made this in such a long time. I mean, it's been at least going on to 3 years. I can't even remember the last time I made this. I remember I used to really enjoy this. But I saw it in the store the other day and I said, oh my goodness, I have to buy that. Okay, and it's so simple to make. You just put it in the pan, a little bit of oil, seasonings of your choice. Okay, in my case, I like a little bit of rotisserie seasoning. And I also like a little bit of the garlic powder. I like sliced onions in mine. And a little bit of the A1 steak sauce. So I'm going to put my seasonings away. And if you don't want to use regular oil, you can use olive oil. Or you can make use a mixture of the two. I'm also going to add maybe 1 slice of cheese. I'm not going to add much because the cheese is kind of salty and I'm trying to stay away from a lot of salt. So I'm going to peel the avocado. Alright, there you go. Just going to peel away this part that seems like it's going a little bad. Again, I had this in the refrigerator, but I don't want to let it go to waste because it's still pretty good. Okay, that's one. Okay. The second piece. And we have a third piece. And I'm going to go get my bread. Yeah, I lost a piece of onion there, but that's fine. Alright, I'll be back 1 second. I'm getting my bread. Okay, so this is the bread that I use. It's a long French bread. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just slice a piece off. I'm going to cut off the end. Normally don't eat that part because it's usually exposed in the store. A lot of customers passing by, the bread is in the front, first aisle, and it's right by the door, and you know. And let's see, I think about this size would be fine. Yeah. Turn this over again. All my onions are dropped trying to escape the skillet. Oh boy. It smells really good. Okay, so this is ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove it from the pan and try to drain as much of it as we can because right now it's very oily. There we go. Try to drain that. You can see all the oil in the napkin. It's a lot. You really don't wanna eat that. You don't want that in your body. Okay, so you try and get as much of it out as you can. A little bit is fine for flavor, but you don't want it all. Okay. Here we have we've got our lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, and I'm gonna have a little bit of mayonnaise. There we go. goodness. Alrighty. I'll open it on this side. This side. Okay guys, if you like these kind of sandwiches and if you've made them before, let me know in the comments. How have you made them? How often have you made them? When was the last time you made one? You know, I'm interested. Let me know. I'm very happy you're here with me today. And if you haven't subscribed, again, you do what you like, what you want to do. You feel what you feel comfortable doing. But I would appreciate for you to subscribe. Now that you're here, it would be nice. It would make me very happy. And not only that, you'd get notification of any other videos that I happen to post. Alright, so I like to put mayonnaise on both sides of the bread. There you go. And as always, I like sharing whatever I know. I love sharing with you guys. Okay, if I enjoy eating something and I've had it before, I certainly do enjoy sharing. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our steak slices to our bread. We'll do it this way. Okay. Okay, it seems like it's a lot, but it's really like it's just the right amount. There you go. Place my lettuce in there. Okay, you use as much lettuce, tomatoes as you want. You don't even have to use any if you don't like tomatoes, leave them out. If you don't like lettuce, leave it out. Okay, avocado is also an option. You don't like avocado, you can also leave that out. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna place my slices of avocado here. Just like so. Okay. There you go. Alright. And they're trying to slide off. Come on, sandwich. I need for you to behave. Come on now. Whoop. Whoa, whoa. Okay, we lost one. Lost a piece of avocado. Okay, so there you go. That's our sandwich. Okay, thank you for being here, guys. I'm going to slice this up in a few minutes and I'm going to taste it. But again, I appreciate you guys coming by, spending this time with me. And I hope that you did subscribe and like the video. Thank you. See you next time.